Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another summer craft party video. Today I have a really cool stepper card for you. This one I'm calling my RV Summer Stepper Card. How adorable is that little vehicle? I'm calling it an RV, but it also kind of looks like a camper or like a Volkswagen old-fashioned van, whatever you use to transport yourself to camping or around on a road trip. That's what you can call it. There's some cute foliage and sand here on the bottom, some more foliage and clouds in the background. There's plenty of space there on the inside for your message, and I include an envelope as well. Now, everybody loves the stepper cards every time that I come out with a new one, and I can't wait to show this one to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, a scoring wheel or scoring stylus, a weeding tool, scraper, brayer, glue and adhesive, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Summer Craft Party 2026. If you're watching this video during the event, you can find the buttons to download the cut file on the event page. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file from my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com, or you can purchase the VIP Access Pass that includes instant lifetime access to the entire 12-day event, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing. Get more information on the VIP Access Pass in the description box below. No matter how you download the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of these score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Click on this icon to drop down the layers. Highlight this top layer. Come up to the Operation menu and change that to Score. Highlight the group and attach. And we need to do the same thing to the card base. Once you've converted the score lines for the envelope and the card base, go ahead and click Make. And you can see the different mats for this project. Click Continue. I'm going to be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this card. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Alright, I've gotten everything all cut out. It's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that I'm going to do is fold and burnish along the score lines for the card base. And what I'm going to do is these top two score lines are going to be folded as mountain folds. Then the center score line will be folded as a mountain fold. The second set of score lines here on the sides will be folded as valley folds. And then the last set of score lines will be folded as mountain folds. I'm going to go ahead and fold the card and then press it with my scraper. And there we have our card base. I'm going to set that to the side for just a minute. Let's go ahead and mat and layer the messaging panel. Now let's take our card base, go ahead and open that up. We'll attach the messaging panel to the inside. And now we can set that card base to the side. Now we can go ahead and layer the front cover panel. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer these different pieces together. From back to front, you're going to start with the light blue, green, darker blue, teal, cream, the sand color, then the foliage, and then the flowers. You don't have to add everything if you don't want. I just have these different options for you to help dress up the front of the card. For example, if you wanted to stop with just the RV and didn't add the little tropical flowers, that's totally up to you. I'm going to layer everything together. I'll speed up the video and then show you what it looks like when I'm all done. There we go. And there is our front cover panel. I did forget to mention the clouds, so I went back. Thankfully my glue wasn't completely dry, so the clouds do go on before that green layer. Let's go ahead and grab our card base, and we can attach this front cover panel now to the front of the card. And now I'll add those cover panels to the sides. And there we have our card. I'm going to set that to the side so everything can go ahead and dry. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Take our inlay panel Add glue along the outer edge of the inlay. Flip that inlay over. Place it over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around. You can add the card if you wish. If you're using a thicker cardstock, you might want to go ahead and do that just to make sure that you're making enough room for the card. Fold those side flaps in. Add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms your envelope. And our stepper card is all set. Well, what did you think of this one? Like I said during the video, you could totally remove the flowers and the foliage there in the front and just make it where you are driving either on the sand or on the road. It's just totally up to you, and I hope that you like this one. If you make this card, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. There's a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Summer Craft Party video. Bye-bye.